Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kasin Michael's High Secondary School Umsning mentakasngi kalayo ban Rakhe daga Jingiphuh Iphieng ka Jingshakri ban riu posnam lenter lani kata ka Diamond Jubilee kabaki onghak tin nongwei ban ay ka Jingnang Jing start gi khun samla jong ka than Umsning bat ka district hi barok away. Hagani kasngi lawan banyadan bentalang do menteri rangba ka jala ukondret ki sangma kumu kongsan baru MLA ka Umsning uba Jason Sau kemi maulong kumu sembut kongsan hakawat ka baningkong lani ka kelas step jong ka jing Rakhe. Hakawat ka baar bat ka penha perdapat ya gani ka jing Rakhe lawan bani shimenta do Reverend Jimmy Marngar Chancellor jong ka Shillong Archdiocese haka jingadan ringkat lang jong menteri ka tanat transport uba dasakyat lamare kumu sembut kongsan bat ka MDC jong ka Umsning kong Magdalene Sau kemi maulong. Hagani ka jing Rakhe layadan ringkat ru Deputy Commissioner Karibhai Arpit Upadhaya, Superintendent of Police Karibhai Ugiri Prasad, ka Sister Alfonsa Varghese, Headmistress jong ka St. Michael's High Secondary School, ki khana school lambat kiwe di ki riu rangba bat riu pau khmat kathan.
See about the harvesting of the cotton. Each day the cycle is depicted in the dance.
We cherish the memories of the past. May we stand.
Jadi Jingiphuh dan Principal kita pun di Jingiphuh dan Chairman kita pun di Jingiphuh jang wei nong kai jadi ya kerana bapa sim ya jadi Jingiphuh ban long itna di buram jadi ban long itna tiba dan coordination kerana Jingiphuh jang kini di managing bapa management kita pun ngalah ban ke Jingiphuh hi bidit ni di nong kai the principal chairman Jubilee nganu kido tiara dan maka Jubilee we kena school ki bawan hande itrai system itrai dina campaign ya ka kanu ke jenge ban wara ya kalawe ka pernah yapi
your school of St. Michael's High Secondary School. As we gather here today, I would like to give this message to everyone, to the school management, to the teaching and non-teaching staff, the students, the parents, the past pupils, the leaders, and everyone who has been part of this premier institution. I would like to recall the words of Pope Francis when he says, on the occasion of the Jubilee year, or the year on the consecrated life which he declared in 2014. He told these three things to all the religious. Look to the past with gratitude, live the present with passion, and embrace the future with hope. My dear friends, today as we gather together here to celebrate this Diamond Jubilee of the school, I think these words of the Pope are very apt for each one of us and for you all gathered here today.
To overcome them and to become one of the best schools in this region. It indeed has been a wonderful journey of last 60 years for the entire family of St. Michael's Higher Secondary School. And so I take this opportunity to congratulate, I take this opportunity to thank God Almighty for the blessings that He has showered upon this school, and congratulate each and every one who has made this school what it is today. The thousands of lives that have been transformed in the school. The students who have studied here and today are working and having careers in different sectors, be it the private sector or government sector.
Remind that. And no doubt, as a part of growing up, there will always be a good experience and a bad experience. Take the good. Take the good experience in the good way. But the bad experience, whatever you have, that will teach you how to move ahead in life. Even if you are at the bottom, that will shape how you are in life. I am sure this school will do justice to everyone that is present here. And I really want to speak another thing. What I see across, yes, we are growing up. We get done from school, we go to college. And what I see the students right now, we have forgotten the manners that what we have inculcated from before. Like what they say in Kasi, like before, they used to teach at the primary level, but now I see that we have shifted away from that. We should never ever forget a traditional value. It's very, very important, a traditional value. That is our upbringing, that is our identity. So I need everyone that is present here, all the stakeholders that is present here, we should play an important role of shaping the society, a society that is well respected, a society that...
Don't we focus on the possible, not the impossible. Kanu kakam habangi perkat sani ha dadangi le ka jingit badaga jingte priyo teblay baro kalong babala dadangi don kaman. We learn from our mistakes and failures. Balay mo ang kuntang kung ki priyo niya limba bun ki jingya le ha ka jingem ka jongi. Kung kikenas kun, lese ki por ki baladet, kapas ka jongpi, don ki pas ki ba, lese ki por ki baladet, ki por jo ki susi, ki por jo ki kemen, don ki balet ha, don pute, ki bang shim na yo ka kalat balet ha. Tihin rei ko kawai ya ko banong ni pi. Yin focus, yin pek, kampnya ya ka ka bamenta. Nada ni lese ki baladet compare ni ha menta, handrei ka ma kawai.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.